Hi and welcome to In the Can. So today I'm going to be making a simple Appalachian dish called wilted lettuce or kilt lettuce, depending on who you are. And I went out to the garden, I picked a bowl full of leaf lettuce, washed it and tore it up, cut up a couple green onions into it. It's got to be leaf lettuce. And I fried some bacon. I'm adding some vinegar to the hot bacon grease. Then I'm going to pour this over my salad. And toss it around to coat all the lettuce. You gotta be careful doing this because it will splatter. But my grandmother used to make this. And I have an abundance of leaf lettuce, so I decided that I should make it. And let's give it a little try. That's good. So hopefully you'll give this simple Appalachian salad a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.